In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct message multiple users on Slack. Messaging in Slack is straightforward, but contacting multiple individuals at once can be slightly different. Luckily, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can efficiently communicate with several team members simultaneously without any hassle. First, you'll want to start by opening your Slack application on either your desktop or mobile device. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you wish to message your colleagues. It's pretty important to verify this step if you're a part of multiple workspaces. Next, in the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Direct Messages. Go ahead and locate this section. It's usually right under the channels list in Slack. To kick off your new conversation with multiple users, you'll need to click on the plus icon next to Direct Messages. This action will open up a menu, presenting you with the option to start a new direct message. This step is essential as it sets up the framework for your communication. Here's a little tip. You can also use the keyboard shortcut CMD plus Shift plus K on a Mac or Control plus Shift plus K on Windows to quickly bring up the direct message search bar. Once you have the conversation setup window open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here you can type in the names or email addresses of the individuals you want to message. As you start typing, Slack will provide you with auto-suggestions of users already in your workspace, which is incredibly handy for finding team members quickly. You can select the individuals by clicking on their names. You can add up to 8 people in one direct message group, including yourself. After you've selected everyone you wish to include in the conversation, you'll notice a Go or Create button at the bottom of the window. Click on it to finalize your group message. Now you're set up to start chatting with all selected participants. Remember, these group chats can be used for one-off conversations or ongoing discussions without creating a new channel. From here, you simply type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen and hit Enter to send it. All selected users will receive the message instantly, facilitating quick and easy communication. If you need to include more context or discuss other matters in detail, don't hesitate to continue building on this conversation. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a direct message with multiple users on Slack. This can be highly beneficial for coordinating with team members on projects or quickly sharing updates with a small group. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy messaging!